this video. Today we're going to be reviewing the first Godzilla, the 1954 version. Now, as you see, this guy is awesome. And guys, I love the detail. It's all gray. The spikes look white and black, I guess. The arms move 360 degrees. So let me just move the legs up. And then let me just like that. And the legs also move 360 degrees. And the head moves 360. And guys, the spikes are rubber and plastic, so it's not super duper dangerous. So you could just like move it move wiggle the spikes. And as I said, this guy is awesome. Now, this guy does not even look like Godzilla vs. King Kong 1962. It looks like the original Godzilla 1954. And guys, maybe I'll do the 2014 Jack specific Godzilla. I hope you like this video. Please leave a like, please subscribe, and ask me subscribe. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and ask me subscribe. Leave a like and have a nice day.